Hi guys, it's Will here from Holy Rosary. I hope you're excited for this week's story. Today, we're going to be reading Noah's Ark, retold by Rob Lloyd-Jones and illustrated by John Joven. It's published by Usborne, and check out the links below to find out what these guys are going to be up to next. Noah's Ark. Long, long ago, the world was a dark and dangerous place. Some people stole and cheated, others fought in wars. The hills rang with thumps and grunts and clangs of swords. Only Noah and his family were good. They toiled all day on their farm, digging the earth and sowing seeds. It was hard work, but they never grumbled. One day, as Noah strolled home, a glittering golden light beamed from the sky. It prickled his beard and tickled his skin. It must be God, Noah thought. A deep voice boomed through the clouds. Noah, God said, soon I will flood the earth to wash all the bad people away. You must build an ark to save your family. Take 2 of every animal with you. Weeks later, the mighty ark was finished. All aboard, hollered Noah. The ark started to shudder. The ground began to shake. Hundreds of animals charged onto the ark, snorting and snarling and hooting and honking. 2 by 2, the animals came. Eagles swooped from the sky. Horses galloped and stamped. And snakes slithered and hissed. The monkeys clambered onto the roof. The elephants squeezed into the middle. And giraffes' heads poked over the side. And then the rain began to fall. At first, the raindrops fell in drips and drops. Then they fell in splishes and splashes. Kaboom! Crash! A storm began. Thunder roared and lightning flashed. Heavy rain drummed on the roof of the ark. It rained and rained and rained. For 40 days and 40 nights it rained, flooding the valleys and drowning the highest mountains. The ark swayed and creaked on the rolling waves. The world was covered in one huge, swirling sea. At last, golden sunshine shone through the clouds. Noah looked out. There must be dry land somewhere, Noah thought, so he sent a raven to look. The bird swooped up high and swept down low, but all it saw was a wide, empty sea. The next day, Noah sent a dove. The dove flew away for days and days. And then it flapped back to the ark. In its beak was a little leaf from an olive tree. Aha! Noah exclaimed. There must be trees growing somewhere. He looked out from the ark, searching for land. Waves rippled and the sunlight shivered on the water. And then, land ahoy! Cried Noah. The top of a mountain poked above the sea. The water sank lower and lower until the ark shuddered to a stop. They charged and hopped and slithered and soared, spreading out to find new homes. As Noah left the ark, a beautiful rainbow spread across the bright blue sky. That sign is my promise, God said. I will never flood the world again. So that was Noah's Ark, retold by Rob Lloyd-Jones, illustrated by John Joven, and published by Usborne Books. Check out the links below, don't forget to see what they're up to next. But until then, I'll see you next time on Holy Rosary TV. Bye.